Hello, Disney enthusiasts. It's Michelle with Disney Uncorked. Today I'm talking about Seven Dwarfs Mine Train at Magic Kingdom. This gem of a ride opened in 2014 and sits right in the heart of Fantasyland. It's a family-friendly coaster that swings, sways, and sparkles as you journey through the Diamond Mine with, you guessed it, the Seven Dwarfs. It's part dark ride, part thrill ride, and 100% charming. The storyline is simple. You're hopping into a mine cart and following the dwarfs on a day of hard work and whistling. You'll spot animatronic versions of the gang, glittering gems, and iconic cottage scenes at the end. It's like Big Thunder Mountain's younger, more whimsical cousin who majored in musical theater. I'm giving it a 10 out of 10, but with an asterisk. It's way too short. Just as you're thinking, yes, this is amazing, bam, you're pulling back into the station. It's like the roller coaster version of getting one bite of dessert and then someone else takes the plate, which is odd because on paper, the ride is approximately 3 minutes long. That said, it's smooth, gorgeous, and perfect for kids, coaster newbies, or anyone who just really needs to sing Heigh-ho at full volume. One person online put it perfectly. It's the most magical blink and then it's over experience ever. And honestly, that tracks. That's it for today, enthusiast. If you love it, hate it, or have thoughts, I'd love to hear your take on Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. Until next time.